Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another episode of our channel, and boy, do we have a treat for you today. As a renowned relationship coach and author of multiple best-selling books on relationships, I'm here to guide you through today's captivating topic: money fights destroy love. Many of you have reached out with concerns about this exact issue, wondering how to navigate financial disagreements with your partner and keep them from tearing your relationship apart. Rest assured, you're not alone. Money is one of the most common sources of conflict in relationships. Imagine a once happy and thriving relationship slowly crumbling under the weight of financial disagreements. It's a heartbreaking scenario, but unfortunately, it's all too common. Today, we aim to shed light on this critical issue, exploring the root causes of money fights and revealing practical solutions to heal your relationship and pave the way for a future filled with love, prosperity, and understanding. So let us dive deep into this eye-opening journey and discover how you can protect your love from the destructive power of money fights. Why does money cause so much trouble in relationships? Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. Why does money, something so essential to our lives, create such turmoil in our relationships? Here are some insights from experts to help us understand this phenomenon. According to psychologist Dr. Elizabeth Scott, money touches upon some of our most deeply held values, beliefs, and fears. It represents security, freedom, power, and also reminds us of our mortality. Our views on money are often shaped by our childhood experiences, particularly observing how our parents handled finances within the family unit. These early experiences leave an indelible mark on our adult financial behaviors and attitudes, influencing how we earn, spend, and save money. Dr. Scott further explains that money fights don't just be about the money itself. It's about all the emotions, values, and beliefs that are attached to it. These underlying emotions can manifest in various ways, such as anxiety, mistrust, resentment, jealousy, anger, and frustration. When these emotions are not addressed or managed effectively, they can poison the relationship and create a breeding ground for conflict. Behavioral scientist Dr. Ramani Devasula adds that our attachment styles also play a role in money fights. Our attachment styles, which are formed through our early experiences with caregivers, shape our expectations and feelings of security in relationships. For example, someone with an anxious attachment style may feel more threatened by financial uncertainty, leading to heightened anxiety and potentially more conflict with their partner. In essence, money acts as a catalyst, bringing to the surface our deepest emotions, values, and insecurities. It magnifies our differences and can expose the cracks in our relationships. If we are not willing to confront and heal these underlying issues, the hidden emotions behind money arguments, it's important to look beyond the surface of money fights and recognize the hidden emotions that drive them. Psychologist Dr. John Gottman, a renowned relationship expert, highlights four primary emotions that often underlie money arguments: fear, control, respect, and security. Let's explore each of these emotions and understand how they contribute to money fights. Fear. Fear is a primal emotion that can grip us in situations involving money. Perhaps it's the fear of financial instability, the worry about providing for your family's future, or the anxiety about past financial mistakes. Whatever the source, fear can paralyze us, making it challenging to communicate effectively and collaborate with our partner. Control. The desire for control is another potent emotion that surfaces in money discussions. It stems from the deep human need to feel secure and capable. In relationships, there may be a tendency for one partner to dominate financial decisions, leading to feelings of powerlessness and resentment among the other. This struggle for control can escalate into heated arguments and emotional distance. Respect. Respect is fundamental to any healthy relationship, and its absence can be a breeding ground for conflict. When one partner feels disrespected or belittled regarding their financial contributions or viewpoints, it creates a toxic environment. Resentment festers, and the relationship suffers. Security. The longing for security is a natural human emotion, especially when it comes to finances. It's the desire to feel protected and supported, knowing that you have what you need to thrive. When your partner's financial habits or decisions threaten your sense of security, it can trigger emotional reactions and arguments. These hidden emotions can wreak havoc on relationships if left unresolved. Recognizing and addressing them is crucial for fostering understanding, empathy, and effective communication. By acknowledging and processing these emotions in a healthy way, couples can pave the path towards financial harmony and deeper emotional connections. Common money fight triggers. While every couple is unique,